ikhampani engivela kuyona Obuhle Investments. Size lana ngenxa ya Makhosi. Makhosi simzwele as a country. Sabona ukuthi udinga ukuthi abe ne baby shower njengoba nathi sesilana. Samenzela ideco. Ideco siyenze as a province sahlanganisa sibaningi esihlanganisela yena. Siyasupporta isithembu kodwa sithi abantu abangahlukumezeki ngisho mbeke isithembu abantu besifazane. And all other women is to always speak out, especially if they are being abused. Bangasabi, there's always someone you can talk to, friends, family, colleagues, and where everyone is listening. I mean, for the fact that we are all here, it's because wakuluma wati uhlukumezekile.